Okay, so this part of the course we're going to be talking about life cycle assessment, and I'm going to talk to you now about the carbon cycle, the role that timber plays in the carbon cycle and how we can become part of the carbon cycle by using timber in buildings and harvested wood products. So, as I mentioned in another part of this course, carbon dioxide is absorbed by timber, and in the process of photosynthesis it makes carbohydrates. That's a generic formula for carbohydrate, and it gives off oxygen. So that is in the trees, which I suppose I should do in a different colour to make it more realistic. So there's a nice tree, and eventually the tree falls over and dies, and then it begins to decay, and it gives off, during that decay process, if it decays what we call aerobically, so in the presence of air. There's always these big words that go off the side of the screen, isn't there? Aerobically, look it up. And that carbon dioxide returns to the atmosphere. So that is a carbon cycle, and that is a biogenic carbon cycle. So it's completely involved in biology. Oops, that's it, that's long enough. There are other carbon cycles. We have what's called a biogeochemical carbon cycle, which I'm not going to discuss today, but that's a much more long-term carbon cycle where carbon goes into the oceans and sinks to the ocean floor and then eventually is returned through volcanic action. So this is the carbon cycle that we're concerned with, and it's biogenic carbon that we measure when we look at the benefits of using timber in long life products such as the built environment.